Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about task 17, day 12 from Advent of Cyber 1. It is about encryption and decryption. So we're going to use OpenSSL and gpg for both encrypting and decrypting some files and answer the questions. So first, you hit the download button to extract, to have the files, and then you have to unzip them. So sudo unzip to send. I'll tell you that. So we unzip the file. So we have three files. One is encrypted with JPG, and the other one is a text file encrypted with a private key. So we have to first decrypt the first one and then decrypt the second one. Decrypting both files is totally separate. So we have to do it separately. So the first one is encrypted with JPG. So let's first have a look at how JPG encryption works. So basically, type JPG, and here you type your message, and it's going to be encrypted. Let's say hi, or forget about this. Let's do it the other way around. So let's say we have a file and we want to encrypt it with JPG. So type JPG -- verbose and then -c, and we put the file. Let's say I want to encrypt the SQL.txt file. SQL.txt. So here I entered the passphrase test 1, 2, 3. Okay, we entered the passphrase test 1, 2, 3. And the file, as you can see, is encrypted. If I want to decrypt the file, I have to do the other way around. So jpg -- verbose -t. The file is SQL.txt, and the output file will be SQL2. Encrypted with the passphrase 1, original file name, ls SQL1, SQL2, cat SQL2. As you can see here, this is the original content of it. Now let's apply this knowledge to the scenario in hand. So we have, where is it? Notes. The note file is encrypted with JPG. Let's decrypt it. One. Okay, and the output file will be note 1. Now we have to enter the passphrase. So in the hint here, JPG key is 25 days of Christmas. So let's try with this password. So the file name, or the file has been decrypted, and it is right here, cat note 1. This is the content of the file after the decryption. Let's take this. Where was Elbob told to meet Alice? We forgot to do something here. What is the MD5 hash sum of the encrypted note 1 file? So MD5 sum note 1. Decrypt node 2 and obtain the flag. So node 2 is kind of different. So the node 2 here is encrypted with a public key, and we're given the private key. Where is the private key? Okay, here is the private key. Now let's first understand how this works with OpenSSL. So basically with OpenSSL, we can encrypt and decrypt files using both symmetric and asymmetric encryption. The scenario in hand is asymmetric encryption. So for starters, if you type OpenSSL, use RSA dash encrypt dash public key. Here, this is the encryption command. Dash key, and here you type your own public key. Let's say test tut key. Let's say dash in. Here is the file to be encrypted, test.txt, and the out file will be cipher.txt. This is the usual command used to encrypt a file, right? Using asymmetric encryption with a public key test.key. With the key, no, the public key is test.key. This is the public key actually. Now you encrypt this, and in order to decrypt this, you're gonna have to do it or find the private key to decrypt that. So basically here, if we just get back here, so instead of encrypt, we're gonna type decrypt. And what else we have to modify? In key. The in key here, instead of the public key, it will be the private key. So here, private. In file will be the, I will just use swap between the in and out. The in will be the cipher, the out will be text file. Let's apply this knowledge to the scenario in hand. So what do we have? We have the note to encrypted text file, and we have the private key. So how do we decrypt this with OpenSSL? So OpenSSL RSA. Since this is asymmetric encryption, we use RSA dash decrypt dash in key private. In file is the encrypted file and the out file will be the decrypted version. Enter the passphrase for the private key. Let's see what the passphrase hint. Passphrase is hello. So cat node 2. And this is the flag. So you see, this channel is not about finding out the passwords, rather than learning the commands used to encrypt and decrypt stuff with OpenSSL and gpg. So it's kind of decryption and encryption tutorial. So there you have it.